Do you want to get notified when a specific item gets listed on eBay? Well, there's a way to save searches and get notified whenever someone lists a new item under your search. And I'm going to show you how to do it all on your mobile phone. So when you first open up eBay, you'll be on the home page. Go ahead and click the search, the middle button on the bottom. Then go ahead and search for whatever you want to save. And in this case, we'll go very specific and click this top button that I've recently searched, which is 2013 $1 bill, star note B. Now to save this search, you'll want to click the top left button that says save this search with a little heart icon. Go ahead and click that button. You'll see, once you've clicked it, this little section comes out. It'll show you the actual search that you saved and how you want to get notified, either through email or push notifications, or just notifications through your phone. You can see you could go just flick through whatever you want. Or you could just delete all this, and you could just abbreviate it into one thing, like my dollar bill. If you remember that a little better, doesn't matter. Just know that you could change that. And then once you've picked whatever you want to pick, go ahead and press confirm. And from there on, you'll get notified however you chose to get your notifications. And if you buy a lot on eBay and you want to leave feedback, watch this video where I show you how you could leave seller feedback if you want to leave a positive or a negative review, if you had a good time with a seller or a bad time with a seller. Watch this video because I show you how to leave feedback.